Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of Chilled Relaxed Plant Content, where we talk about our plants and we try to learn the best way to grow them so they grow how we want them to grow. So yesterday I had a little planty minion with me and we potted up some plants. So this is the footage of what I have from that. It's a little chaotic, but it's a lot of fun. And yeah, also we have all three dogs on the bed right now. Bear, Blaze, and Boo Boo back there. And the cats are just running around the kitchen causing chaos, knocking magnets off the fridge. It's been a day. But anyway, enjoy the clips of me and my little plant minion potting up some philodendrons. Alrighty. Alright.
Hi guys, I'm the little minion planter, and we're going to show you how to plant.
Yep, we're planting up some philodendrons.
Yep, and I'm going to put the dirt in.
Yes, so this is the pot, just so you know. It's a nice pretty gray one with some flowers on it.
Yeah, and here are the flowers.
The plants. I'm going to pull them out. So this is the philodendron mayoi. I'll try to put the names on the screen, but look at all these roots.
Yeah, look.
And look at the leaves. Also, guys, we have two little baby leaves.
Oh, yeah.
So cute. So cute.
Okay, I'm going to start putting the dirt in now.
Yep.
Guys, this is the thing to put the dirt in. Can't just grab your hand. See, and then you put the plant in. Like she's doing. I can't say my name, right?
You can say my name, man.
Like Kelly. And we are putting the plant in so we can cover the roots and so we can do it better so we don't have to make a hole and like hurt the roots. Because plants can feel. And they have emotional stuff like humans.
Do they? Oh, okay.
And if you don't treat them right, and you rip off a plant, you are gonna get bit by the plants because the plants can actually feel what you're doing, and that can hurt them.
You know, there's like a little scary movie that the plants like are alive. It's called The Happening, and they kind of take revenge on the humans. I don't know if you're old enough to watch that yet, but
Don't be scared.
I don't know. We gotta ask Mommy. I don't know.
Wait, but okay, we're sorry about that. Well, now you guys will know what the movie is about.
They might have seen it. The people watching it have seen it already.
If you guys seen it already, give it a thumbs up.
Yeah, if you've seen The Happening, give this video a thumbs up.
And give a thumbs up to this channel.
Yeah, what she said. Alright, honey, you think that's enough?
Yes, I do. And now we're going to water it.
No, we're going to water at the end. Now we're going to move on. We got 3 more plants to pot up.
Yes.
So this is the mayoi. It's okay.
Okay.
Want to do that one?
We're gonna start with this.
We're gonna start with that pot.
And now the same thing, I'm gonna put dirt in it, and as the same thing, she is going to put the plant in.
Alright, so the plant we're going to be putting in it is this is the Epipronum pinatum albo from the plant dealer. I think the other one was also from the plant dealer as well. But they got these big old leaves that...
They're huge, like Hawaii.
Yeah, they are very huge. They are starting to be yellow and brown, but that's okay. Yeah. We got a bunch of new roots popping up, and we have a new growth point, which actually looks like it has some white on it.
Well, that means it's good.
Yes.
And guys, Just in case you don't know, we are both girls.
Yes.
Just in case if you don't know, we're both girls. We're not boys.
Okay. Alright, so this is actually a node at the end, which is why there was a growth point. Oh, that popped up. So, and it's also growing roots. Because in between is a little mushy, but I think it'll be fine. There's roots at both the bottom and the top, so I think this plant will be okay.
And it's time to put it in the planter.
Alright.
And we're doing the same thing with everything, but it's going to be a different pot every single time.
Yes.
And I don't want to do this one.
Okay, we'll see. I think we have to use this one though. This one and that one. Because they're big. All the other ones are too little.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, next I'll use that one.
Okay. Oh, okay.
And guys, just in case we don't know, white is made of all of the colors.
White light?
No, white.
Oh, white.
Is made from all the colors in the universe.
Okay.
And it's from the rainbows.
Oh, okay.
I'm a plant expert.
Yeah.
We shouldn't make it.
We'll see, we'll see.
Okay, just
One more, I think. Yeah.
And then, guys, now we're gonna push them down with our hands because that's how you make it flat, and that's how it's gonna grow and grow. And at the end, we're gonna water them.
Yes.
Can't
All right.
wait to see that.
Yeah. All right.
And the next one, we're gonna do this.
It's a green
These
and
ones
white.
are big and they're heavy, so do not pick this up when you're 5 or 4.
Right. So this is the epipermanum all potted up. This is what she's looking like.
I said, it's like Hawaii's.
I might put in a stake at another time, but for right now, that's good enough.
Yeah. Okay, now, same thing. I'm gonna put the dirt in. And guys, make sure you water your plants every day, or else if you don't water them every day, they're gonna die. And cactuses, you don't need.
Once a month, usually, for cactuses, yeah.
For cactuses, you have to water them once a month. And if you don't, they are gonna die. And they're gonna start to...
They'll wither, they'll get wrinkly, and that's how you know they need some water.
Yes. And...
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's time.
Alright, so the next plant we're going to pot up, hold on, let me introduce it first. Okay, is the Philodendron Majesty. It's a nice dark burgundy colored leaf. We have 2 new leaves right here that have popped out. It looks like another one is coming out right there, right? And we got all of these roots right here at this node. There was a second node down here that had already started rooting as well, and I cut that. I can show you really quick. Hold on. I'm going to go that way. All right, hold on. So this is the extra node that I had cut off this guy right here. As you can see, we have some roots growing in, and also I believe right here by my finger, it's hard to see, is going to be a growth point. So I figured instead of just burying it, because it was kind of like a long stem, I would cut it and see if I could actually get it to sprout a growth point before potting it up. But yeah, be careful. There you go. All right, we are ready.
We're ready to put it in, and now we're going to put the dirt in.
Yeah.
Can you put the dirt in?
Okay, for the next one? All right.
So we have to switch
Okay.
because the dirt is over there.
Right. It's okay.
switch it on. Mine is tired, but I can deal with it. Okay. Same thing. We're gonna tap it down.
All right, and this one is all potted up.
Okay, now we are gonna switch spots. So.
Yep. All right.
Okay, as you can see, we switched spots.
All right, you want to show them the pot we're gonna use?
Okay, it's black and white, and it's pretty heavy as the emerald green one, but this is like not that heavy. But the green one was heavier, but this one's not that heavy.
And I'm just going to give you a little update on the plant that is going to be potted up in here. I have 3 of them. I got one from, let me introduce the plant. You want to hold this little piece? All right, hold it right there. So this is a Florida green. I got one cutting from, I think it was this cutting actually, from the plant dealer in the mystery box. And then I purchased 2 cuttings from Kayla's Plants. Yeah, I got a mystery box of plants. Yeah, it happens. All right. And this one has rooted up very nicely. This one, nothing has popped off yet, so we're going to keep this guy in water. It does have like this little growth point it's trying to push out. And I think we're also going to keep, I got it, this little, yeah, you can hold that one. This little node propagation in, and just until we get a little bit more roots. So
and this one looks the same as a Hawaii.
Oh, that's right.
Okay, now she is going to put the dirt in, and I'm going to put the plant in, and then she's going to put the dirt.
Yes.
You guys.
And I will also be vacuuming the floor after this video. Because we always clean up after we plant.
You don't have to see.
Oh, sorry. All right.
We're sorry about that, guys.
It's all right. All right. So we backfill around the plant. We do it just to cover the roots without covering.
Be careful to not squeeze them too hard. Be gentle with them.
Right. So we just cover the roots, just enough to cover the roots, and then we pat it down.
Yep.
And that's
this plant is staying perfectly up instead of the other ones.
Yeah.
Okay, now I am going to water.
Mm-hmm. All right, and that's it. We potted up 4 different plants. It was a great day.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, we did some planty stuff. We got some plant chores done. And I guess that's it. Anything else you'd like to say, Plant Minion?
And make sure to be gentle with your plants because you can't rip the plants off. You can only rip off the plants that are dead, not the plants that are not dead, that are fresh.
Right, the leaves.
Can't do that.
Yeah, that's true.
So, yeah. We're done with the video. Bye.
Peace out.
Peace out. Wait, I want to see the video.
All right.